Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out online leaflets on the Lidl application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the online leaflets button down below, which is the second option. And here you can find the national leaflets and magazines. As you scroll down, you can see them and click on the relevant one that you would like to check out. And you should slide to the right side of the screen in order to proceed and check out the offers and discounts that are available. If you want to, you can also download them by clicking on this download or save icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can download them individually on the right side of each of the leaflets. If you tap on the download button, as you can see, it has been downloaded, but you can also download all of them by clicking on the download all leaflets button at the top of the screen. So here you will be able to find them. If you want to get rid of any of these, just tap on the bin button on the right side. When you are done, click on the checkmark icon at the top, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.